Today, we're making one of my favorite Thai-Malaysian stir-fries, 3 flavored chicken, also known as Ayam Tiga Rasa, also known as the better sweet and sour chicken. Spoiler alert, the third flavor is actually spiciness. Super easy, so let's go! Originally and more popularly, this is cooked with fish, but I'm using chicken today, which we're going to be giving a very simple marinade slash coating first. To our cubed chicken here, I'm adding first some turmeric powder, as well as some salt. Give all of that a nice stir through and coat all of the chicken and keep that to one side to marinate just for a little while you prepare all the other ingredients. Let's prepare our main source of flavor, and that will be our 3 flavored sauce bowl. To a bowl, add some Thai sweet chili sauce. This would be our sweet and spicy. You can also use a regular chili sauce or Sriracha, but do make sure you add some sugar for some sweetness to balance out all of the flavors. Tomato paste or tomato puree, this would be our sour. You can also use tomato ketchup, but I always prefer the richness of tomato paste. And oyster sauce for saltiness and umaminess. Those are the 3 main ingredients, and you can be done here, but I'm adding an extra teaspoon here of apple cider vinegar for the extra sharpness and tang. You can also use regular white vinegar if that's what you have, but I like the extra sweetness that apple cider vinegar gives to the dish. I'm also adding a couple tablespoons of water to thin out our sauce. And we're done with the sauce actually, and you can keep this to one side. This is also optional but highly recommended. Dried chili paste, my recipe somewhere here. This adds spiciness of course, but also a richness to the dish. Okay, let's cook. We are first pan frying the turmeric chicken. To a pan, add some neutral tasting oil, and then we are pan frying the chicken. Keeping a medium heat, you want to flip over the chicken to the other side for a more even cook. The chicken cooks quickly, especially if you've cut it into smaller pieces. 7 to 8 minutes total for mine, and we are good. Remove the chicken from the pan and keep the chicken to one side. We are just using the same pan because efficiency, okay? And we're not wasting oil, but we most certainly do not need this much, so remove some of the oil until you have about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil left. Make sure you turn off the heat, okay? Don't burn yourself. When you have this much oil, turn the heat back on and keep it low. Once the pan is hot again, we are first sauteing the dried chili paste. If you are using, otherwise you want to skip ahead this step. Saute the dried chili paste until it's fragrant or until it's cooked. That's when the oil splits, where the surrounding oil turns red and is floating just above the paste. Add in our minced garlic, as well as onion. I cubed the onion so it looks nicer in the overall dish, but it doesn't really matter, okay? So just cut it however you like. Give that a stir fry, and once fragrant, toss in green capsicums. I cubed it to be the same-ish size as the onions, as well as red capsicums. Now obviously I added this for the aesthetic, but you can just use one color of capsicums, okay? For more added aesthetics, I'm adding a random carrot here that's not paying rent in my fridge, so boom. Give that another stir fry to mix with the dried chili paste, but not for too long because we want crunchy vegetables, right? Toss back in our fried chicken. And our 3 flavored sauce bowl, yeah! We're not here to waste sauce, okay? So add a couple tablespoons of water to the sauce bowl and give that a good swirl, and pour all of that leftover sauce into the pan as well. Give all of that a quick stir fry, and your 3 flavored chicken stir fry, also known as the better sweet and sour chicken, is all done. This was so super quick and easy to prepare and with minimal ingredients too. I especially love having that thick saucy sauce all over my rice. So I hope you give it a go and bye! Want more easy and quick Asian stir fries? Then check out any of these other recipes now.